Today we are going to be making a coenzyme Q10 facial serum. So if you don't know what coenzyme Q10 is, well, we'll talk about that here in a minute. But just keep in mind it's an amazing anti-aging ingredient that you probably want in your skincare routine. So this is an oil-based serum, but it's made with lightweight oils, so I think you guys will really like it. So here's the recipe written out in percents, so you can just screenshot this recipe and refer back to it whenever you want to make it. If you don't know how to transfer a recipe from percents into a weighed out formula, I will link a video down below where I show you guys exactly how to do that. So now onto the recipe. You're going to need a digital scale that weighs to 0.01 grams and a small heat-safe container to weigh everything in. So I'm starting off with jojoba oil. This closely resembles our skin's sebum. It's a lightweight and non-greasy oil, and it helps soothe dry skin. So I use 10.5 grams of the jojoba oil. Next, I'm using rosehip seed oil. It can help improve the skin's texture, it can help brighten the skin, and it can help reduce fine lines and wrinkles. So I used 2.8 grams of the rosehip seed oil. Now what you need to do is take a small pot and place your beaker inside of the pot filled with about an inch of water depending on how big your container is, and cover it with aluminum foil so nothing falls in while it's heating. You want to place this over the stove on a medium heat, and you just want to bring it to about 120 degrees Fahrenheit. And you're going to want to use a temperature gun, that way you can take its temperature to make sure it doesn't get too hot. So once it's around 120 degrees, if you heat it too high, that's okay, just let it cool down to 120 degrees. And you need to heat it to 120 degrees, that way we can dissolve our coenzyme Q10 powder in it. So coenzyme Q10 powder helps assist the process of collagen synthesis and elastin production. Helps provide the skin with antioxidants, and it can help firm the skin and reduce skin lines and wrinkles. So I went ahead and added in 0.07 grams of the Q10 powder. I went over 0.02 grams, but that's okay. This stuff is only going to help your skin. And go ahead and mix everything up until it completely dissolves. So now it's time for the rest of the cool down ingredients. First off is carrot resin. It's full of vitamins B, C, D, and E. It's extremely effective for dry and aging skin, and it helps increase elasticity and firmness in skin. So I added in 0.28 grams of the carrot resin. Next up is ginseng extract. It helps reduce fine lines and it helps firm the skin. It enhances microcirculation, and it can help the skin adjust to stress levels. So again, I added in 0.28 grams of the ginseng extract. For the last extract, I use grapefruit extract. It has vitamin C and B5, potassium, iron, calcium, and folate. It's a powerful antioxidant. And I added in 0.28 grams of the grapefruit extract as well. And lastly, I'm adding in vitamin E oil. This is an antioxidant. It helps protect cells from free radicals, and it can help prolong the shelf life of oils. But this is not a preservative. It just prolongs the shelf life of carrier oils. That's it, nothing else. So don't be using it as a preservative. If we had water in this formulation, you would have to use a broad spectrum preservative, but since we only have oil-based ingredients, we can just use a vitamin E to extend the shelf life. And I added in 0.14 grams of the vitamin E and mixed it all up, and you are done. So now you have your coenzyme Q10 serum. So I went ahead and grabbed this little glass dropper bottle. I'll link down below where I purchased this bottle along with all the other ingredients I used in this recipe. So go ahead and pour in your serum into your bottle, and you are done. This is how our serum looks. So one more thing I wanted to do was make a custom label for my face serum. And if you guys don't know how to make custom labels, I'll link down below to a video where I show you guys how to make custom labels along with how to waterproof them. So this is how our Q10 face serum looks. It looks absolutely amazing. I love the color to it. It has so many amazing anti-aging ingredients. I'm so excited to start using it. So the serum does have a bright orange color, but you don't need to worry about it leaving any like orange tints on your skin. It absorbs so easily into the skin. It doesn't leave like a greasy residue. It just nicely moisturizes the skin. I think you guys are going to absolutely love this face serum. So one more thing, as I mentioned in every single one of my videos, I do sell homemade skincare products over on my Etsy shop. I just rebranded everything, so it all looks completely different. Go over there and check it out. I have some coupon codes down in the description box, so use those codes if you guys decide to purchase anything. So I hope you guys have a great week, and hope to see you guys next time. Bye.
I'm stuck in the motions. I've been consumed by the wrath of time like I'm frozen. I'm shattered in this life. It's still the path that I've chosen. Because I've had a vision, now I'm on a mission to find myself.